In today's workshop, I'm going to demonstrate how to add captions to your videos in Canvas Studio. By the end of this workshop, we hope you will be able to add 100% accurate captions to your Canvas Studio videos. And to meet this objective, we'll guide you through how to add captions to your video by requesting auto-generated captions or uploading an existing caption file, and then how to edit those captions to 100% accuracy inside Canvas Studio. I'm going to be working in Canvas now. If you'd like to add captions to your own uploaded or recorded videos alongside the demonstration, feel free to open your browser to Canvas and click Studio in the far left navigation menu. You can pause this video as needed and follow along. So let's get started building. We'll begin our demonstration by emphasizing that for accessibility reasons, it's important to make sure your video captions are 100% accurate. This recording will guide you through not only adding captions to a studio video, but also editing them to 100% accuracy. So let's start by clicking on Studio in the Canvas Global Navigation menu. Once it loads, Canvas will display my studio library. You can scroll, search, or use filters to locate the video you'd like to add captions to. I'm going to add captions to this demo video as an example. Click View on the video's thumbnail, and this will open the Videos menu. You'll notice on the Videos menu that there are 4 tabs. Click the 4th tab for Captions. When I scroll down, you'll see that you're given the option for how to add captions to the video. If you have an existing caption file, you can go ahead and click Upload. You're prompted to select the caption file language. I'll choose English. And then I'll click Upload again. Now Canvas asks you to locate your existing caption file on your computer and select it. You can do that and click Open. Notice now that that caption menu has changed, and instead of asking me which types of captions I want to include, it gives me a list that there's English captions. So my upload has now been attached to this video. I'm going to delete this for the sake of the demonstration to come back to the original menu. Because if you don't have an existing caption file for your video, you can choose to request auto-generated captions to get added to the video. Click Request to do so. You're prompted to select the video's primary spoken language, just like before. I'll choose English. Notice here that Canvas says that their captions are about 85% accurate. This is why we need to review and edit captions for 100% accuracy. So I can now click Request again, and a green notification ribbon will let me know that my caption request is being processed. You can view the queued caption request now under the video. It says here Processing in this little marker. You'll receive an email notification when Studio has completed the caption transcript, and this amount of time will depend simply on how long the video is. Once you've uploaded your caption file or your caption request has finished processing, you'll review the captions for accuracy. I'm going to switch over to a different video where captions have already been requested in order to demonstrate this process. To demonstrate how to edit captions, I'm going to click into this video that already has captions that have been requested. So again, I go to the 4th tab to view the captions, and I can see here that there are English captions that are not currently published. If you requested captions, Canvas will require you to review and publish those captions. So to review and publish a file, you'll click the 3 dots next to Not Published, then click the Review and Publish button. If you uploaded a caption file, the 3 dots will have an option to edit. Both routes will take you to the Canvas Studio Caption Editor, so from here on, the process will look the same. Okay, this is the Canvas Studio Caption Editor. On the left, you'll see timestamps with the transcript written. You can play your video, and each timestamp will highlight as the video plays. You can pause when you notice an error. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that.
Hello students, welcome to example course 1A. This is going to be a quick tour.
Another option for editing the captions in your video is to scroll through your transcript looking for any errors. To make changes to any specific line, whether you heard an error or visually found an error by reading, you can go ahead and click on that line. Now the transcript editor on the right allows you to make changes to that specific line or lines at the timestamp. So you'll type in your edits and press save. So if I wanted to change the name of this course to match my actual course title, I can make those changes right inside the text box. And when I finished making edits and everything looks correct on that particular line, I can press save. That simply saves changes to that one particular line. This isn't saving changes and exiting the caption editor, it's saving the change that I made in that particular caption line. You can repeat as needed for your entire video. One trick to note for common mistakes is the replace option. Imagine I continued to refer to my course and the course title was wrong consistently. I can actually enter text that I want replaced. If I type in 1A, Canvas will locate all instances of that particular search piece, and I can choose to replace that with, now in this case it's not actually different, but I can choose to make something case sensitive and I want to pay attention to any spacing that might have been added, but Canvas will show me then if I choose to replace all of those instances, Canvas will go ahead and complete that for me. You can also manually scan your transcript to verify that those corrections have covered all instances of the error. So when you've finished editing all of your captions, you can click the Publish button at the top right screen for requested captions, or click Close for the uploaded caption files because your changes have been saved. So in this case, I would press Publish to make sure that my 100% accurate captions are published. And that's it. Your captions are all set. Thank you for watching this video on how to add 100% accurate captions to Canvas Studio videos. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact a course developer or the Accessible Technology and Media Coordinator, who will be happy to help. Find the information for appointments in the link below.